What makes Ebola so dangerous? How can a virus overwhelm the very complex defense system of the body so quickly and so effectively?
Ebola is an age-old guy, and several species or strains of this virus have been ravaging mankind, particularly Sudan, Zaire, Bombivili, and now Bundibujo. Nice name. A few infants in Africa no doubt will be named after the virus once things settle down. Now let me come back to the point. Why does this virus randomly mutate so much? The answer is it contains RNA as genetic material and not DNA. It mutates very randomly that it produces a new strain every 5 years, producing all that chaos around the world. For the layman to understand, mutation is sudden genetic change, and DNA and RNA implies two genetic material, DNA for you and me, RNA for certain virulent virus. 6 out of 10 Ebola patients are succumbing to the infection, and the reason behind the high mortality rate continues to be two. Number one, the virus is very efficient. The moment it enters the human body, it attacks the immune system. It attacks and hijacks immune cells like macrophages and dendritic cells. Actually, these are the cells which coordinate antigen-antibody interaction. So when they themselves are hijacked, the infection spreads very rapidly to the blood and the lymphatic system. Number two, the virus has the unique ability to trigger an overwhelming inflammatory response. It's almost like that the doctor advised you to eat an apple a day, and you're eating apples for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Same way, when the disease goes to the later stages, the inflammatory response is triggered by the immune system itself by releasing signaling immune molecules called cytokines, thereby resulting in a condition called as cytokine storm. Thereafter, the situation is very grim. The uncontrolled inflammation moves towards a condition where there is damaged blood vessels, impaired blood clotting, leading to internal bleeding, septic shock, multiple organ failure, and ultimately death. Remember, there's no cure for this particular strain of Ebola, that is Bundibujo. No vaccine stockpile available, no monoclonal antibody treatment available. So the only cure is stringent quarantine rules, stringent isolation, so that mankind is saved via the truth, and that is the only route available.